about?
California!
Baltimore. If you're from Baltimore, make some noise. Atlanta, make some noise. She's louder than 20 people. What about Maryland, make some noise. Nova, make some noise. LA, make some noise. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys. You guys came from so far away. I know what? Philly, make some noise. Philly, make some noise. Okay, Jersey, make some. All right, we're stopping this. We thank you. Doesn't matter where you guys came from. We definitely appreciate you guys coming out and supporting us. We're so blessed to have you guys as fans and listeners. So we thank you. And at this time, let me introduce a great producer. He produced tracks for Jay-Z, Lupe Fiasco. He's amazing, and he's gonna help us out real quick. And give it up for Russell W. Howard. And he's gonna help us out with something real quick. So y'all want to break it down real quick?